Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 14,341 with a major weekly loss of 276 points, or in terms of percentage it was a fall of 1.89%. Now here are the few observations for the current week. We have seen that the broader market has given a close below its short-term as well as medium-term moving average, which indicates that a bearish undertone is already established in the market. The daily momentum indicator has sustained below the 50 mark for the entire week, which shows that there could remain temporary weakness in the market, at least from a short-term perspective. Regarding support and resistance zone, major supply area for the market is placed at 14,595, which is its 50 days exponential moving average, and above that at 14,700. Immediate support level for the market is placed at 14,150, which is the current week low, and below that next support level is coming at 13,600. Now in the current scenario, what could be the possible strategy for the market is one has to buy only if the market is able to surpass above the important resistance level of 14,595, which is the 50 days exponential moving average, and putting a strict stop loss of 14,275, and the possible target could be 14,900. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Tata Coffee Limited. One can buy this stock on minor dip around 123 with a stop loss placing at 114, and this stock has the upside potential up to 138. Another stocks which seems to be interesting on technical terms is Motherson Sumi Limited. One can buy on minor dip around 212 with a stop loss placing at 198, and the upside potential for this counter is coming at 240. So that's it friend for the current week. See you on next Friday. Thanks for joining us.